What's going on, fellas? So I'm gonna start doing some videos on some of the customs that I've done versus the Hasbro release. This episode's going to be dial tone. So I did this custom about 1.5 years ago just because I'm impatient and I hate waiting. So I went ahead and made my own dial tone using 3D prints from eBay and Etsy. And I used a retro Duke body with airborne head, and I sculpted a mustache with epoxy, what is it? Epoxy clay mold, whatever it is. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I've had people say that they like my custom better than the official release, but I like both of them. So just let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching.